Who gets what from a business or from a home or from a retirement account? Most people that come into my office say, oh, well, I know it's 50-50, or he'll get 50% or she'll get 50%. That's not the law in Georgia. There are some states that is the law, but it's not in Georgia. Property division in Georgia to be an equitable division state. And what that means is that a court has to decide what is fair and reasonable or fair and just under these circumstances. So the court takes into account the conduct of the parties. For example, if you have a case where one spouse has a severe gambling problem and has gambled away thousands of dollars of the marital assets, then perhaps it's not fair and reasonable or equitable for that spouse to still get 50% of what's left, because there would be so much more but for that spouse's conduct and bad behavior with gambling. So a court would take all of that into consideration when determining how the assets should be divided. Quite often it is a 50-50 division, especially in a long-term marriage where all of the assets were obtained or purchased, built during the marriage. Courts generally divide those assets 50-50, but it's not the law. Based on the conduct of the parties, the courts can do 60-40, 80-20, whatever a judge feels is appropriate under those circumstances.